Welcome to week 9 of our class. This week, the assignment is to really synthesize what you've been reading over the last few weeks. In the assignment box, there's a link of the authors and videos that you've seen that you could refer to, because you're going to be putting together an essay, 4 to 6 paragraphs, about your thoughts on curriculum, instruction, how we should be teaching our learners in both the in-school settings in the classrooms and also coaching fields regarding culturally proficient kinds of practices. You will be citing at least 4 of the sources that we've been examining over the last few weeks within your paragraphs. You don't need to turn in a references list. You just need to have, if you quote or put a paraphrase from some of the authors, just make sure in parentheses that you put their name so that we know that you're citing those different thoughts. And you'll be writing that essay to post on the discussion blog in this week's assignment list by Wednesday at midnight. That's really important because then your other classmates and you will be responding to each other throughout the second half of the week. So this assignment has 2 parts. The first, you are writing your essay and you're citing those sources within your essay about your thoughts on what should be really ideally happening in our schools and coaching settings in contemporary education around culturally responsive practices. And then you're posting so that your classmates can respond to you. And there's some prompts about the responses. You're talking about ideas you agree with in the people's essays. You're talking about questions that you still might have or other perspectives that you'd like to offer them to what they've written about their own opinions and basing that on the references we've been reading. So the criteria is listed in the assignment. As you interact with your classmates during the second half of the week, you will need to choose at least 5 people in the class that you're responding to their ideas in their essays. And just a reminder, nothing's due with your books this week, but just keep reading. You should be getting close to the end now. Everyone have a wonderful week.